Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about some questions based on relations. Okay. Today we also solve some questions based on relation, and today we completed the chapter relation. Okay. Now take some questions based on relation. Let R be the relation. Let R be the relation on the set n of natural numbers or natural numbers defined by R is equal to AB such that A plus 3B is equal to 12 and A belong n and B also belong n. Here n means natural numbers. Okay, and you find first is relation R. Second one, domain of R. Domain of R means relation, domain of a relation. Okay, and third one, range of R. Okay, your question is here, let R be the relation on set n of natural numbers defined by R is equal to AB such that A plus 3B is equal to 12. Here A belong natural number and also B belong natural numbers. And first of all you find the relations, second one domain of R, and third one range of R. Now solve it. First of all you write given relation R is equal to AB such that the relation between A and B is A plus 3B is equal to 12. A belong n and B also belong n. This is your given relation in set builder form. Na, and you write it into the roster form. Okay, let's see. We have A plus 3B is equal to 12. So here we find A is equal to 12 minus 3B. We replace 3B that side. We get 12 minus 3B. Suppose we put B is equal to 0. Then we get 12 and 0. We don't put 0 because of A and B both belong natural number and 0 is counted as a whole number. So we don't take B is equal to 0. We take B is equal to 1. Take equation number 1. Put B is equal to 1, 2, 3 in equation. First we get what? When B is equal to 1, then we get 12 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 12 minus 3, that is 9. When we put B is equal to 2, then we get A is equal to 12 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now we put b is equal to 3. So 12 minus 3 into 3 is equal to 12 minus 3 is a 9, that is 3. Now if we put b is equal to 4 in equation 1, then a is equal to what? Get 12 minus 3 into 4, that is 12 minus 12, that is 0 na. And here 0 does not belong natural number, because 0 belongs as a whole number. So we don't take b is equal to 4 now. So we don't take b is equal to 4 na, because 0 does not belong natural number, and according to the given context, a and b both belongs natural number. Suppose if we put b is equal to 4 in that equation, then we get a is equal to 0, which is belong as a whole number. Does not 0 does not is not a natural number na. So according to question, according to questions, the required ordered pairs are in the relation 9 1, 6 2, and finally 3 3 3 3. This is the required relation according to the given context. According to the given context. Okay, this is your first answer. Now our second question is, we find the domain of R and range of R. So you know that domain of R is the set of all first components or coordinates of each ordered pairs which are belonging to R. So clearly the first components or elements of each ordered pairs are 9, 6 and 3. So domain of this relation is given as 9, 6 and 3. This is one answer, another answer. Now third one, we also find the range of R na, range of R. And you know that by the concept of range, the set of all second components or coordinates of the each ordered pairs which are belonging to R. So the range is what? 1, 2 and 3. We take all the second elements of each ordered pair as 1, 2 and 3. This is another answer. So in this way we solve that type of questions. Okay, yes. Now we take another type, we solve on representing a relation by using an arrow diagram. Now we solve some questions based on representing a relation by using an arrow diagram. Okay, now solving. Now we solve the questions based on representing a relation, problems based on representing a relation, representing the relation by using an arrow diagram, using an arrow problem based on representing a relation by using an arrow diagram. Okay, let's take a question. Your question is, let any set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, define a relation R on set. Define a relation, define a relation R on set A by R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 1, y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, your first question is, depict this relation using an arrow diagram. Depict this relation using an arrow diagram. Second one, write down the domain codomain, write down the domain codomain and range of R, Okay, this is your question. Your question is, let A be any sets given by 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Define a relation R on set A by R x y such that y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, depict this relation using an arrow diagram. Second question is, write down the domain, codomain and range of R Let's solve it. Okay, now turning the page. Now on next page we solve this question. Okay, here the given set is 1 to 6 now. Okay, here the solution of this equation. Here the set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 respectively. Okay, and according to a given context y is equal to x plus 1, that is given. Okay, so take equation number 1. we put x is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 respectively in equation first. In equation first we get in equation first we get y is equal to, first of we put 1, then we get y is equal to 2, then we get 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 6 and 7 right now respectively, 6 and 7 respectively. So thus 1 2 2 3 1 2 belong R, 2 3 belong R, 3 4 3 4 belong R, 4 5 4 5 belong R, 5 6 5 6 belong R, and finally 6 7 6 7 belong R. So required relation in, hence the required relation in roster form is 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 and 6 7. Okay, now we represent this relation in arrow diagram. Okay, so the arrow diagram representing R is that, first of all you write a relation A, and relation is A to A na. First of all you write all the element of A as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you write all the element of another A, relation A to on A, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now because of you write the relation na, set define a relation R on a set R on set A. This is a relation using an arrow diagram. Okay, so we write, so relation in the given context 1 2 1 related to 2, so here 1 is 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3, because of the 2 3 belongs the relation, so we joining 2 3 3 4, that is 3 4. Okay, 3 4 na, and 4 5, that is 4 5. now 5 6 5 6 हो गया, and last one 6 7. no 7 is no any element in that which is 7. So this is the required solution, required arrow diagram representing the given relation R. Okay, now second one thing is we find the domain of R. Domain of R, you know that the set of all first component, that is R. And one thing 6 7, here 6 7 does not belong here, the set 6 7 does not belong R, because of 7 does not belong A na, so we take the relation only 5 6. Okay, yes, then the domain of R Domain, the set of all first component 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is your answer. Okay, and the range of R, this is also called the codomain. That is all the set of all the second component, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 2, 3, 4, 5 and okay, this is your answer. Okay, now we take another type of questions based on relation, on proving result based on the definition of relation. Okay, suppose this is also very most important question. Let R be a relation. Let R be a relation on n defined by R is equal to AB, such that AB belong natural number and A is equal to B square. A is equal to B square. Okay, are the following true? Your question is, are the following true? Your options are AA belong all, for all A belong natural number. Second, AB belong R, this implies B also belong R. Third one, you have to check it, AB belong R, BC belong R, this implies AC also belong R. We have to check it, the following are the following true. Now solve it. First of all, you write the given relation R, given, justify your answer in each case also. Okay, given relation R is equal to AB, such that AB belong natural number and A is equal to B square. Okay, now we take first. In first, we observe that A is equal to A square is true for A is equal to 1, which is also belong natural number only for this is true for only one value, that is A is equal to 1. Therefore 1 belongs R, but 2 2 3 3 4 4 etc. do not belong to R na, do not belong to R. So A belong R for all A belong natural number is not true, okay. It is true for only for one case, that is when we put A is equal to 1, okay. Now we take second one, AB belong R, this implies BA also belong R. Now check it now. We observe that the given relation AB, that is A is equal to B square, we observe that 4 2, that is A and B, and your condition is A is equal to B square, so 4 is equal to 2 square, that is 4 is equal to 4 na. So we observe that 4 2 belong R because of we follow this condition A is equal to B square. We observe that 4 2 belong R na. Yes, but 2 4 does not belong R, since when we put the condition A is equal to B square, then here A is equal to 2 and that is B is 4, then 2 is equal to 16, which is not equal to each other na. So here suppose we observe that 4 2 belongs R, but 2 4 does not belong R, so we can say that AB belong R. This implies that BA belongs R is not true for all AB belong N, is not true also, okay. This is also not true for all AB belong natural numbers. AB belong natural numbers, okay. And suppose we take third question, and your third is AB belong R, BC belong R, this BC belong R, this implies that AC belong R. It is also not true. Suppose that 16 4 belong R, okay, and 4 2 also belong R, right. However 16 2 does not belong R na, so the third statement is also not true for all AB belong natural number. In this way we can prove that type of result, and we check it, okay. So dear students, now your whole chapter's relation is completed today. Now dear students, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on the relations, okay, and complete the NCERT exercise. Now we discuss next chapter, functions, okay. Thank you.